Hi, in this short video we're going to take a look at your appointment settings. So up in the top right cog, the appointment icon, we've got the option to enable quick view of appointments. So when you click to view an appointment, you have a full large screen with all of your details visible. The option with quick view enabled is a lot smaller and is a quick view of all of the core details. To view all of the rest of the information, you then need to toggle out each time. So some people love that function and some people can't wait to turn it off if it's enabled. I prefer that one turned off personally. So enable moving appointments on the calendar. This one's really good if you're going to be using a laptop. If you're on a touch device, most people tend to then have this turned off, but it enables so that we can drag and drop where we want that appointment to be, so we can update it manually. The next setting down is to enable pickup service while creating an appointment. This is for people that are going to go and pick up any of their customers, any of their cats or the dogs that they're grooming. What it'll do is enable, when you create an appointment, to toggle a button in there as well to say that you're picking that pet up, and then it will show a little car icon over the appointment. Enable auto-populate appointment with previous services. This one I will always suggest caution with. It is great to remember the groomer, the service, the duration and the cost of that pet's last visit, but when you come to updating prices, it will auto-populate still with the previous service, not the updated price. So it's worth being mindful of, but that will auto-populate all of that information for you. Then we've got enable conflict check. So this will enable you to see if you're going to book a overlapping appointment with another dog, whether you've got an appointment booked in, whether you've got a holiday booked in, whether it's outside of your user hours, outside of your salon hours. It will just flash up and let you know, so you can still double book, but it will let you know what you're overlapping with. Then we've got our filter staff on service matrix. This one and the filter staff on location matrix is really good for our larger salons. So if you have some bathers, you can set up in the service matrix. The bathers can only do bathing appointments and no grooming. If you have certain groomers that do not do any hand stripping, you can use the service matrix so that no hand strips can get booked for that groomer. And similarly then on location matrix, it makes sure that they're not available at a location that they're not marked to be at. Ask for reviews on appointment completion. This is an additional feature from our complete in our appointment messages. We have the complete that you can set up under your messages, and then when you click with this turned on to complete an appointment, it will flash up to ask if you would like to send that original template or you would like to send the reviews on appointment completion. If you are sending the ask for reviews, you'll need to pop in the review URLs for your Facebook or your Google, and that will auto generate in your message for you. The template for the reviews is in your messaging and email templates and review booster, so you can update that template in there. And then we've got the option to set rebook appointment after days. So this is from an appointment itself. You have the option to click rebook, and that will also generate the amount of days in advance to rebook that appointment for you. It will load straight away in the appointment creation window. The default payment option, this is as you're creating the appointments again, and you can set that to in person, to default to request a payment plan, or to default to request a deposit request, and then you have the option to set the amount in here as well as a percentage, the full amount and you can pop in how much you want there, and every time you create an appointment then it will default to these settings. That's a quick show around all of your appointment settings. Any questions, pop in to help or email us hello@itsallsavvy.com.